What are Salesforce objects? Explained simply. Have you ever wondered how Salesforce organizes all the data that businesses relying on? Let's break it down in a simple way. At its core, Salesforce uses something called objects, which are like tables in a database. These objects help store and manage all the important information about a business. Each object has fields, which are similar to columns in a spreadsheet, and records, which are like the rows. Each record contains specific details about an entity or process relevant to the organization. There are three main types of Salesforce objects. The first type is called standard objects. These are pre-built by Salesforce and cover common business data. Examples include accounts, which representing companies or organizations, contacts, which are individuals, leads, which are potential customers, and opportunities, which refer to sales deals. These objects come with predefined fields and functionality, but you can customize them to fit your needs. The second type is custom objects. These are created by users to capture data that standard objects do not cover. For instance, if your business needs to track specific information, you can create a custom object with fields tailored to your requirements. This allows organizations to extend what Salesforce can do by defining new tables with custom fields and layouts. The third type is external objects. These representing data that is stored outside of Salesforce but can be linked within the platform. This means you can view and interact with that external data as if it were part of Salesforce itself. Salesforce objects are essential for managing data. They support relationships between each other through custom relationship fields. This allows users to connect related data, like linking contacts to their respective accounts. This relational structure makes it easier to navigate and analyze data. When you use Salesforce, you interact with these objects through an interface that looks like web pages rather than raw tables. This design makes data entry and management straightforward. Salesforce also offers query languages like Salesforce Object Query Language and Salesforce Object Search Language to help you retrieve and manipulate data stored in these objects. For example, if your business needs to track invoices, you could create a custom object called Invoice with fields for due date and amount. Each invoice you enter would be a record in that object, storing specific data points. To configure or create objects, you can access the Object Manager within Salesforce. Here, you can customize standard objects by adding or removing fields or create new custom objects to fit your business processes. In summary, Salesforce objects are the core building blocks of the Salesforce Customer Relationship Management platform. They organize data into structured tables that support business operations, reporting, and automation in a flexible way.